Less than a year ago, Antelope Reef was mostly submerged. Now, China has created nearly 1,500 acres of land, and satellite imagery suggests groundwork for a 10,000-foot runway. The disputed Paracel site already has a deep water harbor and a 680-meter wharf. Chinese state media describe civilian purposes, including research and weather monitoring. But the same infrastructure could sustain Coast Guard, surveillance, militia, and military operations. This will not suddenly transform China's reach. Nearby bases already cover much of the region. Its real value is persistence, dispersing forces, resupplying ships, and maintaining presence near Vietnam. That is the signal. Beijing is no longer merely drawing claims on a map. It is physically rebuilding the map and making its control progressively harder to reverse.